chat gogo ndibhizi ndireactor ungena ingoma kwi-email gama lengoma four-headed goat pwa so kuto man reactor kuyi it's unreleased ne it's unreleased it's a song by Biggy, you know what I'm saying, it's a cat from Worcester, this one in the chat. So sizamamela ingoma yakhe right now and see uba should he release or keep it in the vault. That's what we're gonna do right now. Four-headed goat is the name of the song. Tap what? So the image is kind of crazy, don't lie. I won't lie. Four-headed goat. Four-headed goat. What? Abenumchita. 2 minutes 45 seconds. Tap. Yo, it's track number 7. Caba kukho into edlala khona into eshaya amanzi. Khona into enzekayo. Four-headed goat. Featuring Hozay Ovana, Swindle. So I want to know, is it 4 niggas? Is it 4 niggas on the song, Biggie? Is it 4 niggas? Right. This better be fire. This better be fire. Yo. Aibo. Four-headed goat to Danny Pity Benja. Ike. This is Ike.
Oh. Step on my entertainment shit. What up?
What's up?
That shit.
Right, let's go.
Talk your shit, babe.
Okay, old school type of thing.
Yeah, decided to marry the game. It married me back. No money in, we only 6, real tight pack. I treat niggas like t-shirts cause I put them on. Niggas are taking shots but I'm blocking like Buffon. Feeling like Drake, I'm pissed off, I'm fucking upset. Every day I'm working overtime, no time to rest. Chasing after these millions, I'm talking wealth, nigga. And I'ma get them no matter what cause I'm blessed, nigga. I'm in the 6, 8, 50 or 5, 2. You can pull up on me if you want to. I promise I'll do you right and put you on better things. Me and my money, we cuffed up with a diamond ring. No divorce, we're not doing that Kim and Kanye shit. Call me Biggie homeboy cause I own my shit.
Yeah. Hozay. Yeah. I said, whoa. This is the old school hip hop. What the fuck? Whoa, hey. This is that hip hop, hippity hip hop. What did you say about he dropped an address and said you can pull up if you want to, and he was like, yo, what did he say about a t-shirt? How I like how niggas I dress, whatever. Yeah, yo, chill. Okay, let's go, Hozay. What you got for us? Yo, I didn't expect that.
I'm like, okay. Niggas be throwing shots, but my angels be like, no way. I'm tryna cut my own key, cause fuck it, to block me, no way. I'm chilling with the realest, no fakes around me, like, no way. I came from the bottom, like grandma's house with a domain. How you leave the club and you asking me where your hoe at? Don't you ask about us, cause the whole city knows us. It sounds like my baby, so yes, I'll empty my scrotum. I'm about to pop like I told him, like, better get your shot, he got it wetter than a dolphin. I see money coming to me, fuck is that a coffin? Mandela, I'm guessing all y'all niggas topless. Man, that flow just went over your head just like a I ain't even tryna talk right now, I'm tryna ball like Steph Curry. And all my bitches love me. I walk inside the money bank and then I do my dance. I walk inside the money bank and then I do my dance.
Little nigga, we out here. High of life, can go wild like a Leah. Wait, this building different subject. Full of like perception. Cutting out the fat that sucks.
Hey, ngamanika ezi sibethapha ngamanika ngoku hayi. This is not the same closer. Phandle ngamanika ngokulabethayo khululeka.
Wanna keep it private, one said a different project. The prospect, you living large as fuck. They take shots, I'm never taking dog business, what it's all about. That shit easy, body bag, go find a coffin. Subtract all the minuses, out here looking for profit. Boy, I'm built different, standing on business, they falling off. Sick with it, taking prescriptions, I'm going off. Yeah, I've been with it since we convinced them to blow us off. Now they all gone with the wind, gone with boys who putting me on, who really trying to see me young. Closing doors, we kick them down. Out you acting like you only the one in this shit. Me and my niggas don't get it.
Hey, hayi dimameli mob deep. Dimameli mob deep. Asose. Pwa!
Give me E, trigger music, boy, bliss, move along.
Hey, yeah. That cannot be a South African sound, bro. What the fuck? Ziyaboniswa ezi. Yabona ezi? Ziyaboniswa ezi bafethu. Ezi zanobetha up. Yo, these niggas are so good, bro. What the fuck, bro? Yega manika. Bwa. Yabona umculo sanokhala pha, it's only for a certain group of people, bro. Like, these niggas can rap. What the fuck? Hi boy, who's that thing so grapes cock and what the fuck was that? Check out to Biggysa, yeah, well, on YouTube. I think we'll call it Souls and Back. But the song is from Biggysa, yeah. There's also someone, but yeah, it's unreleased though. It's unreleased, so yeah. WBGSA in the chat. Nzap!